Welcome back to Freelance with Jay. I'm Jay. In the last video, I showed you how to open a free USD account with Grey. In this video, I'll show you how to actually get paid using that account, whether you're working with Fiverr, Upwork, or direct clients. This is the video most freelancers are waiting for. If you haven't watched the previous video, check it out first. The link is in the description. Before you receive any payment, you need just 3 things. 1. A verified Grey account. 2. Your USD account details. 3. A client or platform ready to pay you. Once you have these, the rest is simple. Let's start with Fiverr. On Fiverr, go to your earnings dashboard and select Withdraw. Choose the option to add a bank account, and enter your Grey USD account details. Once linked, Fiverr will send your earnings directly to your Grey account. For Upwork, go to Settings, then Get Paid. Add a new payment method and enter your Grey USD account details. After verification, your earnings can be sent directly to your Grey account. The process is similar, the key is entering the correct details. If you're working with direct clients, this is even easier. Just send them your Grey USD account details, the same way you would send a normal bank account. They can pay you via bank transfer in dollars, and the money comes straight into your Grey account. Here are common mistakes beginners make. Entering wrong account details. Mixing personal names with business names. Not checking platform withdrawal rules. Always double check your details before confirming. Once the payment hits your Grey account, you can convert USD to Naira. Withdraw to your local bank. We'll cover this in detail in the next video. If you don't have a Grey account yet, you'll find my link in the description. In the next video, I'll show you how to withdraw from Grey to your Nigerian bank, step by step. If this video helped you, like it, share it with another freelancer, and drop a comment if you have questions. I'm Jay, and this is Freelance with Jay. See you in the next video.